I had a myth of option buying because of the unlimited profit, but that myth has been wiped out, and Nilesh sir has actually made my mind and rather reconfigure my mind for option selling with the sure short profit. The techniques he has taught throughout 3 days, I think, are effective, and everybody must follow it diligently. Only three steps uh, strategy is very, I think, very effective. I've tried it. I've done back testing for that as well during my these 3 days, and it's effectively working. Thank you, Neeraj sir. Thank you for sharing quality, sharing this valuable experience with us.